Hi and welcome to Death Valley. This morning we're in Mesquite Sand Dunes. I don't know about you, when I think of the desert, this is it, just rolling sand dunes into the distance. It's really early in the morning, but the sun is shining down the valley and there's a silence here. It's a bit like when you're in really sort of deep snow, just everything goes quiet. So we're going to make the most of that this morning and do a short meditation together. As always, I'll guide you through it. Take a moment, get comfortable. I'm going to sit here on the dunes. And as much as possible, as you settle in, as you get comfortable, just using the space in front of us right now, just to allow the mind to open a little bit, to let go of some of that everyday thinking. Not trying to force thoughts away, but just allowing this space to become part of that quality of mind. And just maintaining that very soft gaze. Just starting with a couple of nice big deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. So as you breathe in, almost a sense of taking in that space. As the body breathes out, a sense of any tension, any busyness in the mind, just leaving, being let go of. And with the next out breath, if you want to, just gently closing the eyes. And just settling in not only into the body, that feeling of weight and contact, and just settling in to the silence of the desert here this morning. Just allowing any sounds, might be the breeze, might be voices in the distance. And just allowing everything to be part of this experience. And then just taking a moment to check in with the body. So just an opportunity to notice how you're feeling this morning. And then just gently scanning down from head to toe. And as you become more aware of the sensations in the body, you're starting to notice the movement of breath. Not changing breathing in any way. Just noticing where in the body you feel that movement. Just settling into that rhythm. And then it's just as though you rest your attention, you leave your attention resting on the breath, resting on that movement. Knowing each in-breath, each out-breath. And allowing the stillness, the quietness of the desert to be the backdrop for the breath. The only thing you need to remember is to realize when the mind's wandered. Acknowledge it, let it go, and come back to the breath again. So as you sit there and follow the breath, that's just a sense of this warm sunshine just softening the body. And quietness, just creating some space in the mind. You can just let go of any focus now. Just allowing the mind to do whatever it wants to do within that space. And now just gently bringing the attention back to the body, back to the feeling of weight, of contact. Back to the space around us in the desert. The sounds, coolness of the air, the warmth of the sunshine. And when you're ready, just gently opening the eyes again. And just coming back to that soft focus. Just taking in that big open space in front of us. Different colours, layers. Just allowing that feeling to be part of the mind as you have a stretch if you need to, and as you head off into your day. To say, it's still really very early in the morning here, but it's incredibly light, and there's just mesmerizing about these dunes. And say, as much as possible with any of these meditations, just allowing the spaciousness of these landscapes just to be part of the mind, just to allow it to infuse your day, whatever's in store for you. And as always, feel free to stick around and enjoy the view.